Hi friends, this video shows how to check total storage space, available storage space and used storage space. Go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go to system. Go to storage. And here you can see the total size of the internal storage, 26 GB. Set it. And here you can see 1.7 GB, that is what apps are using. Then photos and videos are using 26 MB. Go down, here you can see the total available space, 23 GB. Okay, total space is 26, total available is 23. So 23 minus 26 minus 23, 3 GB, that is the total used space. Okay, so this way we can find this. We can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.